Continue with exercise 6.2. Question number 2. Find the values of the unknowns x and y in the following diagrams. You have to find the values of the unknowns x and y in the following diagrams. First question. Now consider the triangle. Here one of the sides is produced and you can see that 120 degree is an exterior angle. The measure of the exterior angle is 120 degree. X and 50 degree are the two interior opposite angles and y is the adjacent interior angle. Now how we can find out the value of x and y? First of all, consider how we can find out the value of x. 120 degree is an exterior angle. Now do you remember the exterior angle property? The measure of an exterior angle is equal to sum of the measures of two interior opposite angles. Therefore, using the exterior angle property, we can write x plus 50 degree equal to 120 degree. By using exterior angle property, x plus 50 degree is equal to 120 degree. X plus 50 degree equal to 120 degree. Sum of the interior opposite angle is equal to the measure of the exterior angle. Therefore, x equal to 120 degree minus 50 degree equal to 70 degree. Therefore, the measure of x equal to or the value of x is equal to 70 degree. Now we have to find the value of y. Now when you consider this triangle, you can see that x 50 degree and y are the three angles of the triangle, three interior angles of the triangle. And what is the angle sum property of a triangle? The sum of the measures of three angles is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, by angle sum property, of a triangle, x plus 50 degree plus y equal to 180 degree. Sum of the measures of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now we got the value of x, that is 70 degree plus 50 degree plus we have to find the value of y, therefore plus y equal to 180 degree. (70 degree plus 50 degree) 120 degree plus y equal to 180 degree. Therefore, the value of y equal to 180 degree minus, you have to move 120 degree from left hand side to right hand side. So, 180 degree minus 120 degree is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, x is equal to, the value of x is equal to 70 degree and the value of y equal to 60 degree. Now second question. Here also we can see a triangle and the interior angles are 50 degree x and y, and here also the two sides are produced and here you can see an angle 80 degree. Now what is the value of y? Now you can see that y and 80 degree are what type of angles? Vertically opposite angles. And what is the property regarding the vertically opposite angles? Vertically opposite angles are always equal. Therefore, we can say that y is equal to 80 degree. So, the reason is vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Now we got the value of y equal to 80 degree. Now we have to find out the value of x. Now this y, x and 50 degree are the three interior angles of the triangle. Now we can use the angle sum property. So by angle sum property of a triangle, angle sum property of the triangle, y plus 50 degree plus x equal to 180 degree. Now we got the value of y equal to 80 degree. Therefore 80 degree plus 50 degree plus x equal to 180 degree. 80 degree plus 50 degree will get 130 degree plus x equal to 180 degree. Therefore x equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree, which is equal to 50 degree. Therefore, the value of y equal to 80 degree and the value of x is equal to 50 degree. Now next question. So y, x and x are the three interior angles of the triangle, and here the two sides are produced and you can see one angle, the measure is 90 degree. So we can easily find out the measure of y or the value of y. So y is equal to 90 degree. So what is the reason why we are taking y as 90 degree? Because 90 degree and y are the two vertically opposite angles, and we can apply the property that vertically opposite angles are always equal. So vertically opposite angles are equal. Now using the angle sum property, we can find out the value of x also. By angle sum property of a triangle, y plus x is equal to 180 degree. The sum of the measures of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree, and we got the value of y equal to 90 degree. Therefore 90 degree plus x equal to 180 degree. Now x and x are the like terms, we can add it. X means a 1x, here also 1x, 1x plus 1x equal to 2x. Therefore 90 degree plus 2x equal to 180 degree. Now you already learned how we can solve a simple equation. So we have to apply that method here. Now first we will write 2x equal to, right hand side 180 degree is given. So you have to write first 180 degree minus, you have to transpose 90 degree from left hand side to the right hand side, 180 degree minus 90 degree. So 180 degree minus 90 degree equal to 90 degree. Therefore 2x is equal to 90 degree. Therefore x is equal to 90 degree divided by 2. So, which is equal to 45 degree. 90 by 2 is 45. So, the value of x is equal to 45 degree. Therefore, we got y is equal to 90 degree and x is equal to 45 degree. So, the value of this x is also 45 degree and here it is also 45 degree. Now, next question. Now, the triangle is given and here one of the interior angles are given as y, and what about the other two interior angles? Now, can you say what is the measure of this angle? So, these two are vertically opposite angles, therefore, we can take this measure as x. So, here it is given as x. So, what about the measure of this angle? That is also x. And y and x are vertically opposite angles. So, instead of y, we can write it as x. So, y is equal to x. Here the x is given. So, we can take this angle as also x because these two are vertically opposite angles, they are equal. Here the angle is given as x, and what is the measure of this angle? That is also x because they are also vertically opposite angles. And here y and x are equal. So, instead of y we can write as x. Then by angle sum property, y is equal to x because vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Then by angle sum property of a triangle, angle sum property of a triangle x plus x plus y equal to 180 degree. The sum of the measures of three interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now, we can write as x plus y we can replace by x equal to 180 degree. Now, all these are like terms, we can add it 1x, 1x and 1x. So, 1x plus 1x which is equal to 3x. Therefore, 3x equal to 180 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 180 degree divided by 3. 3x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 180 degree divided by 3 equal to 60 degree. So, we can say that the measure of x or the value of x is equal to 60 degree. Now, we can consider one word problem. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1:2:1. Find all the angles of the triangle. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1:2:1. So, a triangle has three angles. The three angles are given in the form of a ratio, that is 1:2:1. The angles are given in the ratio 1:2:1. So, we can say that the angles are 1x, first angle we can take it as 1x, second angle 2x and third angle is also 1x. Since the ratio is given, we can take the angles as 1x, 2x and 1x. 1x is equal to x itself. So, we can take it as x, and the 2x itself, and again 1x we can write it as x. So, if the coefficient is 1, we can write down the variable itself. Therefore, we can take the angles as x, 2x and x respectively. Let the three angles be x, 2x and x respectively. Let the three angles be x, 2x and x respectively. Now we have the three angles. Then what is the sum of the measures of the three angles, which is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, by angle sum property of a triangle, x plus 2x plus x equal to 180 degree. X plus 2x plus x equal to 180 degree. Now we have to add it. So 2x plus x, 3x plus x, 4x. Therefore we can write 4x equal to 180 degree. 4x equal to 180 degree. Therefore x equal to 180 degree divided by 4. Now we have to find out 180 divided by 4. 4 4s are 16. 20. Therefore x is equal to 45. Now we have the angles. First angle is x. We can write it as 45 degree. Now second angle is 2x. 2x means 2 into x. 2 into x. So the meaning is that 2 into the value of x is 45 degree. 2 into 45 degree, therefore 90 degree. And the third angle is also x. So we can write it as x is equal to 45 degree. Therefore, the measures of the three angles are 45 degree, 90 degree and 45 degree. So we can say that the three angles are 45 degree, 90 degree and 45 degree. Now look at that. Here the ratio is given. The ratio is given as 1:2:1. So we can take the angles as 1x, 2x and 1x respectively. So 1x means x itself, 2x, 2x, then again 1x is x itself. Therefore we can say that the angles be x, 2x and x respectively. Now we have to apply the angle sum property of the triangle. The sum of the measures of the three angles is equal to 180 degree. Therefore x plus 2x plus x is equal to 180 degree. That is 4x is equal to 180 degree. We can find the value of x, which is equal to 45 degree. Then we got the value of x. So we can find out the three angles. The three angles are x, 2x and x respectively. Therefore x is equal to 45 degree, 2x is equal to 2 into x, that is 2 into 45, 90 degree and again x is equal to 45 degree. Therefore the three angles are 45 degree, 90 degree and 45 degree respectively. Now we have the homework, exercise 6.3, question number 2, third one and fourth one. Then page number 122, try this, and question numbers 1 and 2. That's all for today's class. Thank you.